Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to narrow a VW Beetle front beam. This modification is popular for several reasons, primarily to achieve that iconic lowered look and to tuck your wheels neatly within the fenders. Narrowing the beam also provides crucial clearance for wider aftermarket wheels, larger tires, or modern disc brake conversions. It can also enhance handling by stiffening the front suspension and lowering the vehicle's center of gravity. Before you begin, safely lift your Beetle and remove the entire front beam assembly. Once it's off the car, you'll need to carefully disassemble it, taking out the torsion leaves, shock absorbers, and trailing arms. For this project, you'll need a few key tools: a reliable welder, an angle grinder, a precise measuring tape, and a cutting tool such as a plasma cutter or an oxygen acetylene torch. Don't forget your basic hand tools like wrenches and sockets. Now for the core of the modification. You'll need to precisely measure how much width you want to remove, commonly 2 or 4 inches. Mark your cut lines on both the upper and lower beam tubes, ensuring you remove an equal amount from each side. After cutting, bevel the edges of the tubes to prepare them for welding. Then, carefully align the beam halves and weld them securely, ideally using a TIG or MIG welder for maximum strength and a clean finish. With the beam narrowed, it's time for reassembly. You'll need to install new, shorter torsion leaves and narrowed tie rods to match the reduced width. Replace any old bushings and grease seals for optimal performance. Carefully reinstall the complete narrowed beam assembly back onto your Volkswagen Beetle. Finally, and critically, have a professional perform a full wheel alignment to ensure your car drives straight and safely on the road.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.